Surla is a place located 65 km from Panjim. Tambdi Surla Temple is a 12th century temple dedicated to Mahadev Shiva. Tambdi Surla is blessed with the scenic landscape. Tall mountains form the backdrop and the canopy of unmowed ghat looks lush green. Tambdi Surla Waterfall lies deep inside the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. It is one of the most popular waterfalls in Goa. As you trek towards the waterfall, you can hear the chirping of the birds, sound of the creek and streams, and at last the gushing waterfall. Tambdi Surla Waterfall lies in a secluded spot, unexplored and offbeat. Goa is an extremely diverse state with varied landforms, including mountains, hills, plateaus, and plains. You would need to have your own or hired transport to reach the Tambdi Surla temple. From there, the waterfall is approximate 2 hours trek. Today, we will take you on a journey to the majestic Tambdi Surla waterfall, which lies located deep in the forest. Beware of leeches while you cross the streams. If you are a heritage lover and you like exploring history, then Tambdi Surla temple and a trek to the waterfall is a must in Goa. Goa is gifted with a unique history, and we must empower the children to protect, preserve, and promote the heritage and history of Goa. Google Map location down in the description box. Tag us with your beautiful photos at Amazinggoem. If you haven't yet, kindly subscribe to be updated of the new videos.